Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable Windows Defender SmartScreen in Windows 11. So firstly search Windows Security. So open Windows Security. Now here click on App and Browser Control. Now you will see the option Reputation Based Protection Settings. Open it. So here you will see some options. Check apps and files. So turn off this setting and also guys you can turn off Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. So just you have to select this setting to off. So this is the way guys you can turn off and disable Windows Defender Smart Screen in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.